Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Sites to your GoDaddy domain. So first of all, when you are on Google Sites, you want to click the settings button and click custom domains. Now, as you can see, I have connected some other domains, but you want to add a domain and enter your domain from GoDaddy. So I'm just going to copy my domain name here and paste it here. Now, as you can see, the domain is not verified and you need to verify your ownership. So you're just going to click. And now, as you can see, it's already on Google Search Console and we need to continue with our domain name and checking the verification. As you can see, you need to start verification and access your DNS settings on GoDaddy. So let's start verification now. As you can see, the Google wants to domain verification, so let's click connect. If you're already connected to your GoDaddy, you will have no issues, and basically when you click connect, it will automatically connect to your GoDaddy from Google Sites. Now it's verifying and it may take a minute, so let's wait for it. Now, as you can see, the ownership is verified. So you want to click go to property. And as you can see, you can do all of these things here. Now you want to go back to your Google Sites and basically let's cancel it and add again. And now, as you can see, there's this button, the check mark, and you won't need to verify it again. Now you want to connect it to your GoDaddy. So you want to add your DNS settings. So you go back to GoDaddy and you go to your DNS. So I'm on domains now and I just clicked DNS. So you want to add a new record. As you can see, you need CNAME with www and you need to copy this with a dot and put it here. So let's try to put it www, paste this and click save. And now, as you can see, it conflicts with another record, so you need to delete, for example, this one. And after that, it should be added. Here it is, updating DNS settings, and it was successfully added. So then you click done, and it will assign domain, as you can see right here. So yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.